way that goes.
Hello, my name's Matt. I'm the Disillusion 1811, and I'm out here in the Mount Saint Helens area with my 1-year-old lab, Gracie Girl, attempting to do some cross-country skiing, backcountry cross-country skiing, I guess is what you call it. So I'm on these weird trails. The snow conditions are a little iffy, kind of icy, and I want to get these Fischer skins on my Fischer S Bound skis. I had ordered these off of REI, and of course I never tried to use them at home, so I thought I'd put them on right now. And what happens is the skins I purchased has a little tiny white plastic tab that goes into the ski, and this one here is actually sewn upside down, so this face right here should be on the other side of the skin, so the sticky part will stick to the ski. But then, so that's a problem, and this is a problem too. This second set of skins doesn't even have the little white tab on it, so this is a major fail. Don't fret, I do have some trail running shoes, some micro spikes, and some snowshoes back at my truck, so if this all fails, I can get back to my truck and reevaluate the plan for the day, and I plan on escaping the matrix out here, period. So stick along and enjoy the adventure. Come on. Oh boy, this might be tough. Okay. Okay, watch out. I think skiing's gonna be a bust for today under the conditions. I don't know if those skins would have been helpful or not, but I wish I had them to try them so I can get that information. But I'm gonna work my way back to the truck, and then we're gonna put on some boots, some hikers, and we'll probably need to do some snowshoeing and that kind of stuff. So the plan is going to be adjusted. Gracie. Hey, bud. Hey, bud. Just walk out of here. Get down off this. Oh, man. Definitely going to need snowshoes. Victory. Well, it's certainly a beautiful morning out here, so I got out of that snow. We're going to head back, like I said, but I'm going to try some skijoring here. First attempt of skijoring with Gracie Girl. Let's see how this goes. Be an epic fail. But I know that's the only way to learn is to fail. Okay, Grace, let's go. This is good. Not pulling too hard. And I can control her in case there's snowmobiles approaching. I can hear them over these skis. Good girl. This is actually working pretty good. I got my pack, some lightweight boots, and we're a little bit more in my element. I'm a trail runner, so we're gonna go up this Pika trail from Marble Mountain Sno Park, and then bang a right and head down to June Lake and do a loop back under that road I was skiing. Well, we made it to the junction for this Pika ski trail. It's that direction, and it appears that nobody has gone that direction since it snowed. Probably gonna be about time to put on these snowshoes. I'm just gonna walk over, see what it looks like here. Come on, kid. Yeah, we're definitely gonna need some snowshoes, I think. Watch out, buddy. Good girl. You all right down there? Let's keep going. Let's get out from underneath these trees. My toy. Go get it. Go get it. Right here. Come on. Right here, you little kid. There you go. I appreciate if you stop chewing on my snowshoes there, kid. It's not a toy. Looks like there's a trail that's going to go down that ravine. All right, I see a blue diamond. That's a good sign. Let's keep going. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Can you go? Seems like you and I are always breaking trail out here. Come on, bud. If you look up there, you can see Mount Saint Helens. It is just amazing out here. I'm so glad I came out here with my dog to do this, because this is a memory. This is definitely a lifetime. This is definitely a once in a lifetime experience. Breaking trail out here on a beautiful, beautiful sunny day. Wow, this is what I call escaping the matrix. So June Lake is going to be right in front of me here, so we're going to work our way down to that. And just like that, the fog has rolled in. You know, 5 minutes ago this was the most perfect day, and here we are in basically fog out conditions, if that's even a weather term. And so, I mean, I can't see more than probably 60 yards in front of me, and so I think it's a good time for me just to turn around. I'm gonna backtrack. I know June Lake's that way, but what's the point of going there if I can't see it? And you know, for example, behind me is Mount Saint Helens. It's not visible. So I'm gonna reverse course, follow my tracks out of here. I'm also hearing some noise over there. So I think some snow's falling, that kind of stuff. I think it's just a wise point to go back the way I know and call it a day. It's been a successful day. So let's work on back to the Venture-mobile. Get out of here. Good girl. Keep climbing, bud. Keep climbing. Gracie and I made it back to the Venture-mobile. So thanks a lot for watching this, and hopefully you enjoyed it, learned something. And don't forget to get out there and escape the matrix yourself.